Hello, I'm Bitz.
And I'm Bob.
We love make and do. And we're going to show you how to make a Helter Skelter slide, like this one. Let's get started. You will need 2 large paper plates, 2 smaller paper plates, scissors, a cup, a pen, some glue, 3 different size tubes, sticky tape, and a large piece of paper. Place the cup upside down in the middle of a plate and draw all the way round it. You should have a circle. Ask a grown-up to cut out the circle in the middle of the plate. Do the same for all 4 plates, big and small. Next, put a circle of glue all the way around one of the large plates. Turn the small plate upside down and stick it to the larger plate. Make sure the 2 gaps are in the same place. Then do the same with the other 2 plates. Now it's time to join them together. Put some glue on one end of the plate. Then take the other end of the other plate and stick them together. Wait for the glue to dry. Now it's starting to take shape. Turn your slide over and stick the longest tube at the top with your sticky tape, like this. Then stick the middle tube to the bottom of the plate. Now stick the small tube to the top of the other plate. Turn it over and there you have your Helter Skelter slide.
Cool!
Let's add some sticky tape to the bottom of the tubes to make sure the Helter Skelter stays still. Now it's time to test it.
Hoo-yeah! That's great! Let's see it again.
That's it! Steam Pink style!